Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have batteries and a clear screen. Start now by powering the calculator. Once powered, make sure the mode is FIN for finance tasks. This selects TVM functions. Press second and then FV to confirm defaults and reset only if prior values interfere. Next, enter basic loan or cash flow parameters, N/Y, PV, PMT, FV. You do this by typing the number, then the variable key. This establishes the working variables for all calculations. With variables entered, compute by pressing CPT and the variable you need. For example, CPT PV to find present value. Make sure I/Y matches the compounding period. If monthly, divide annual rate by 12 and set n to months. Use the + key whenever cash direction matters, loans versus payments. Once done, verify results by recomputing with small changes. This confirms sensitivity and avoids input errors. Record answers and clear only the variables you intend to change. Finish by reviewing decimal places and payments per year settings. They affect PMT and I/Y outputs. Once satisfied, note results because the calculator's memory is limited. Write key numbers down. If values seem wrong, first confirm you used the correct sign convention for cash flows. Most errors come from opposite signs. If problems persist, perform a mode reset to FIN and re-enter N, I/Y, PV, PMT, FV step by step. This usually clears hidden memory issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.